Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can disable public link on Sketch. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing www.sketch.com. And after you've done that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Sketch. And in here, you will be able to see the option of sign in. Simply just click on the sign in and then log into your account. Here you can see currently it is showing my workspace because I have already signed into my account. So you can simply just click in this if you have already signed into your account. So after you've done that, here you can see this is your account, and all you have to do is click on this settings option right here. And after clicking on settings option here, you will be able to see the option of public document links in here, and in here you will be able to see the button of disable public links. Simply click on this button and then again click on this red disable button. And that is it. That is how you can disable your public link on Sketch. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.